Hey guys, Logan with Enduro Engineering, here to show you a closer look at the ignition wire guard for the KTM and Husqvarna throttle body injected 125s. Okay, as you can see on these 125 throttle body injected bikes, the ignition wire is kind of exposed from anything coming in through the front, so a stick or any kind of debris like that. So we've got this aluminum guard that will sit right in front of it to block debris from hitting into that guard. So to install it, you've just got to remove both of these front ignition cover bolts, but to get to this top one you want to remove this plastic cover too. So you got an 8mm bolt there that you'll just pull out so that you can pry it out and then get to that bolt. So you're just going to remove these and you're going to reuse them with the Enduro Engineering guard. So if you're still using the OEM stock skid plate, you might need to pull down on it just a hair to get the 8mm socket or the T-handle in there to get this bottom bolt out. But if you're using the Enduro Engineering skid plate, you should be able to get right to it. So now we're just going to take that aluminum guard, line it up with both the top and bottom bolts. Just going to get the bottom one started, so then we can get the top one in also. And then you go ahead and take an 8mm and tighten both of these down. Okay, now that we've got both the top and bottom bolts tight, you've got this plastic guard here that you need to put that bolt back in. So just using the same bolt and an 8mm, go ahead and tighten that back up before you go for that ride. Okay, so as you can see, it's pretty easy to install that ignition wire guard on these throttle body injected 2-stroke 125 KTM and Husqvarnas. It's there to protect that wire in case you get a stick or anything through there, so you can finish your race or finish your ride. Head over to EnduroENG.com and pick yourself up one today.